Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Shpock. So guys, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, let's see what we have in front of us. So at the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can see what are you looking for. You can go and check out what you want. Here we have of course sales for free and a lot of cool things. And in the top right corner, we have the sign up and login option, as well as the help center, Shpock Plus for professionals, and manage your privacy content. Of course, if you want to go and sign up, we need to click on the sign up button, which is the first button here. Then we can sign up, continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or if you want to sign up with email, you can go and use the Shpock app. I will be going and signing up with my Google account. Then you just need to go and click on the Google account that you want. Click continue, and your account will be then, as you can see, click continue, click accept. Again, click, of course, the profile that you want, and basically, then you just need to verify account. So basically, please verify account via the text message to continue at your phone number, and we will send a 4-digit confirmation code. So basically, here you just need to go and put in your country, first of all, where you're from. Then after that, put your name and number, and then send a verification code that will come to your mobile phone. And then you just need to go and of course log in with that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.